I'm live I'm streamer
ไม่ไปรอเซลล์33เลยปะ
33 ถึง 353 ถึง 35
อืม
SL 37
ประมาณนั้นใช่ that's a safer zone เนอะว่าเซลล์ตอนนี้ก็ we only have a demand zone that or a supply zone going because we're in an uptrend right now, right? On the 15-minute, it's all uptrend, 1 hour. Yeah. We're still on a downtrend almost. 4 hours a downtrend. Everything else under that is uptrend. So. Yeah, cool. Oh my God! You actually put the money spread into the thumbnail. เดี๋ยวกูเอาไลฟ์ไปเข้า Telegram แบบ
เข้าเรียบร้อยแล้ว
ไว้เดี๋ยวเห็นนี่ What's up, Alpha Mango? Today has been a rough day, bruh.
Bro,
In the
today
morning.
I was tempting to go live or not, bro, because I know if I go live, right, people will still like take the signals and shit, but like, you feel me? I feel like it's better to let them rest.
They're just gonna go to the other coaches, you know? Why not come to us instead? So our first order of the live stream will be selling at 3332 to 3335.
In
500 point SL from the lowest zone.
in 1 hour and 4 minutes, there will be a big news coming.
Yeah, today is the only day with news this week, I think. US session opens in 30 minutes, 34. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get everything we lost this morning. This morning we before we while we were live, we actually lost I think 90-ish pips.
It's not
And
while we
we
live.
had
We lost around 50 while we live, but then before that,
pre-live we gave 2
yeah,
orders.
but then I just include everything for transparency.
Yep. And then we had a small recovery trade of about 50 to 70 pips later.
That's like
So
that's two recovery trades, like two
yeah.
recovery trades. Well, the first one is like 20 to 70 pips. Second one is 50 to 70 pips. But that is if they follow my word, exactly my word. To take partial, say break even, keep only the highest layer. So yeah.
Yeah, because that trade took hella long to actually reach or no, it never reached TP1. It almost did. Like we were like 10 pips away. But because the graphs reversal, like, we were selling, right? And the graphs reversal pressure just made us want to, clear while we still in profits. So yeah. I just washed my hair, y'all. They put in the Discord community yet? Guy for the fucking thumbnail, bro. Bro, you secretly took a photo of that, bro.
How's your prop firms doing? Alpha Mango.
Yeah, bruh. Have you passed your challenge yet? Have you got your profit goal since you said you were up like 10% the other day?
So much fun.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Morning session was in Thai. Today we right now we're gonna speak in English.
Hey, shit.
Whoever who's new here, hit that like button. Our first order of the day will be selling at 3332 and 3335. With a small SL of 500 pips or 50 pips, sorry. Not really that small, but like, you know, you feel. Every trade we take must have risk. We are in the trading game, of course. Today's been an iffy day, very iffy, you know. Morning, 5 losses in a row. But we didn't suffer too much losses due to our risk management, so if y'all want to set your sell limits, you can. But if you guys do want to reduce risk and you know, wait for a higher zone when we are selling up there, uh, y'all could just, you know, press it yourself manually so you can get multiple layers. But usually if you want to do that, you just set multiple layers, you know, one at for example, uh 50 what? Sorry, 32, one at maybe 33, one at 34, another one at 35. But I don't recommend multiple layers for a small account, so
Ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-ba-da. If it break this zone, we will, you know, break this zone. We will try to find like a follow by maybe. Let's see the volume.
yeah, because right now it seems like it wants to break out of this little 4-hour downtrend. The buy volume since yesterday was a little crazy. Oh. Let me scale down real quick. Hold on. Yeah, honestly, if this breaks through this trend line, we could look for a scalp buy until we wait for our main order selling up here. So let's see. Let's back a couple pips before you know, something crazy happens. Today,
I think
gold has been
let's
disrespecting our strategy quite a bit. So
let's scalp buy right here. So if you want to enter, you can enter right now. It is around 3327.5. Yep. Or else I will be pretty short again. You know, just usual. As of usual. First CP will be right here. Let me type the order out. We are in blues right now.
this is about 150 point SL. So this trade is pretty chill. This is just a test candle. We're testing the zone here, seeing where gold wants to move. If it does disrespect the zone, then it's okay.
People who like already took enough losses should stop for the day. Like, don't force yourself to win the market. If you can't really win it, then just wait for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Strategies aren't 100%. We just so
If y'all
happen.
took enough losses today, then you know,
Yeah.
y'all can back out for
I
today.
recommend, like,
No.
if you guys tune in for our morning session, right, you guys should just stop there. Learn how to take like losses too, not only profits. Today, like, the orders have not gone our way. But we gotta learn how to accept the defeat, that our strategy might not be the one for today. And that is all. Like, that is basically all you can do. With the right right? You just need the right mindset too. Not it's not gonna win every day. And it's not gonna lose every day too. Like, even though like this, even if this trade hit SL, right, like another 140 points loss, 14 pips, right, you guys still gotta remember that in the beginning of the week we did hit like a lot of TP. Like, since the beginning of the week we hit over 14 pips. I know what, since the beginning of the week we bagged 1,000 pips, that is like, that is 10,000 points. So with right money management, you guys can win it too. But yeah, you guys just gotta do the right
Yep. Sub Amara Fakir.
Today have not been the brightest, Amara. It is good that you just woke up.
Yeah.
It is
If you just
really,
tuned
really
in and started
fortunate that you
trading,
just tune in.
today has been quite an unfortunate day in the committee, in the Telegram, and in the morning live stream. Gold is actually not moving, bro. Like, no,
Not
it's
moving-
moving. The
not
opposite
moving
of
in
what we
our
want to
way.
do, you know?
Yeah, not moving in our
Yep.
way. Like right now, literally, like, we're just like finding like the recovery trades for the morning people, but we did already recover like like basically all of it, but I'm just not sure if people will follow my words or not.
Yeah, because you know, we do for beginner traders, right? Once they take an SL or two from a community, right? They do
Yeah.
start doubting the, you know, signal giver.
Like, let's
So
say you take all this, right? And then you were like, I'm gonna just ignore this. Then bam, no recovery trades. But I mean, if you take all this and you are really able to stop, like, you know, stop trading, that's good, you know. That's the right mindset.
yeah, luckily you were sleeping, Amara. So let's get some profits today, yo. Sorry,
Yo,
Hapti.
what's up to your trade? Today have not been the brightest, but let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Just calm. We're gonna, keep level heads and then, jump back into the graph with a resetted mentality. You know, should be fine.
Oh.
Let's find another, zone we can trade until we wait for our selling order up there. Oh, for real? That's fire. Yeah, the last one we took, which one was that? The selling order?
The first 4 trades I took with you guys. Did you take the last order last night? I think last night we back like 160 pips. Like the last order last night when I was like eating.
Oh, that's fire, yo.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, let's hope it's like that for the rest of the week and next week and the week after. So, because we never know when gold decides to, give you a losing day. So gold likes to move on its own sometimes, and when there's days like that, you just gotta walk away from the graph and wait for the next day when gold resets on this like, it's crazy ass price action. So
Like look at the 15 minute.
yeah, sometimes it's sidewaysing between SL and TP, sometimes it's just dumping, sometimes it's just, going up. No clear trend that, we can follow right now, so profit losses for today, Mr. Shantanu, is that we are in down.
We're down 42 pips.
Yeah, we're down a couple
But for
pips.
the
We're down
lowest
40
layer and for
pips.
the highest layer we're up 28 pips. Let's focus here. Let me put it, how do I put it like not too big? Because this is too big. Can you guys still see? I'll put it here.
Yep, I agree with you, Amara. Gold has been kicking our asses. But it's okay. Because there's always another day, so life don't end here, yo, for real. I remember the first time I blew my account and I was like, damn, should I just, stop? But, because I didn't stop, here I am, I guess, giving other people signals. From the taker to giving the signals.
the profits. Wait, let me put this. Let me put this. Yep. P&L for the day and P&L for the week. This is like from 2 until the morning session though.
Yep. Amara's got the, mindset, all part of the plan and the process.
It's like
I like it, You've been trading for only a couple weeks and you already got it down. I like it. That's good. That's good.
if it come down to 24 again, we will be buying. But let's wait. If it goes without us, it's fine. Maybe
What's up, Asian Bright?
5. Yo, have you been, bro? Have you been in the community?
Yeah, we got absolutely cooked today, yo. Ankle broken left and right, worse than fucking. I think I got my ACL torn worse than Halliburton this finals, yo.
That's good.
That's good, yeah, Amara. Just woke up, bro. It's 6 p.m.
Bro,
What's
you're fucking lucky, bro.
Yo, I mean, it's not lucky, but but Zam, bro. 6 p.m. It's waking up at 7. It's almost 7 o'clock. Are you aware, brother? This John woke up at 7 p.m., bro. Hey, don't you got a summer course next week? I know this week's free, but damn, you gotta at least adapt your schedule, bro.
That's why he gotta get more rest, guy.
Cause last Friday you took the pre-exam, right? This be my date in the shower. Be my date in the shower.
Yeah, next week I try. Yeah. Okay, wait, what? Oh, and then you just
I had to
left.
fix it. Okay, bro. Yeah, that's fire, bro. They're just preparing you for when the actual cause if you get put into the wrong section, right, you're gonna have hella 8 a.m. classes, bro. So
That not good. You feel that?
kind of sucks, bro.
What's up, everyone in the chat? Today
What's up?
have
What's
not
up?
been the
What's up?
brightest. Our scalp cell broke left and right. Our main cell does hold though, but still.
Bro, Tuesday was fucking insane, bro.
New York session is
Five
opening soon.
500. Sheesh, bro. Dude, notice how Monday we got 3 wins, 1 loss. Tuesday we got hella trades, 9 wins, 2 losses. Wednesday we got 7 wins, 1 loss. Thursday, 5 losses.
Alright, guys.
Bombo clutch.
Are you in the trade? Because I am.
Okay, guys, it is came and caught us at the zone here. We're gonna be scalp buying a little bit.
This is not scalp buying. This is
Sorry, not
buying.
scalp buying. Yeah, oops, sorry. I think so. Because we
Think
drew the trend line, right? It went above
it
it
broke
by very
already, yeah.
slightly. It already
But
broke, yeah. Twice, actually.
yeah, I feel like the news today is also gonna support the gold price.
Yeah, if analysis is correct, gold is gonna start flying and possibly change from a downtrend to an uptrend. So the past 6 4-hour candles has been green.
I got my price at perfectly 24.5. At what price it will be sharp? You gotta broke through this big ass zone first.
Yep.
So basically, you need to. I think you need to go up to like 3340 first to see like a clear shot around 3340.
Yeah, around 40 or 47, yo. That's where the previous 4-hour high was. So most
Yeah,
likely around 47
but
if it closes above.
in like the like this, how to say it? If you do the trend line since like the day, right? It already broke through the trend line like twice today.
Yep.
It
So a
went
minor change of structure would be around
30 31.
above the trend line, and a major one would be above 46-ish.
If you guys don't have the order yet, you guys can buy it around 2323 maybe around 2323. So right now it's like a good layer for you guys. Let me put.
I'd say a good price to tell that it's a change of structure is around 40, 46. Yeah, right above this protected high. I can never draw a fucking straight line, bro. There we go.
Yeah, we need our TP4 to be at at the shop too. Crazy new volume, bro. Not new volume. I mean crazy like before New York volume. The fuck. I mean, it's like
Hmm?
came down to our TP1, you know.
It's okay, bro. We cleared when we were in
Yeah.
profits, so
We did tell you guys to clear when it was around 20 to 70 pips, you know, securing profit to 20 now maybe. So if anyone didn't like still was holding like the actual highest layer at 30 30, they would be around 80 pips in profit right now. 80 to 100 pips in profit. Banger. We did say that it will come down to 20 and 21 though in the Telegram, and it did. Just didn't want you guys to hold any risk. You know, basically with the same. If we trade together, right, we will share the same SI on the same TP. You know, so don't worry.
I was waiting for 20. Yeah, it reads 20 right now. Unfortunately. I'm guessing it's okay, bro. We'll find new opportunities. No need to worry. It's a small loss. If you guys money managed correctly, it was a small loss.
I mean, we lost like five trades in a row, and it's not even 100 pips yet. You know.
Yep. It was close, but like not exactly. So Right now would be the perfect time to buy at the lowest zone. So have a couple layers up at the top and a couple layers here at the bottom. So let's see how this trade plays out. Wait, we are expecting gold to continue upwards. So yeah.
The
This morning we
bottom,
were expecting it to come down,
the bottom
but
that
it
it
wanted to go
shouldn't
up.
cross is around 19.6. Right now, mostly gold is in. So right now, if you guys
Yeah.
want to buy, you guys can buy at 3320. Let me put another
Change the
layer.
structure to the downside, right?
So
It should not cross this level around 19.6-ish, maybe 0.8 almost.
yeah.
Our SL is right below that, so if it does continue to go down, then we'll be stopped out before we get dragged across and blow our account.
Six, 7 on it. If you guys didn't have any order yet, you guys can enter now. The SL is pretty short, so if you guys enter now, it will be only 20, 20 pips. But I'm gonna be for real. If we keep losing today, we might not live for long. It would just be like the one of those losing day.
Yeah, because we don't want to support over trading.
Yep. So if this trade hit SL, let it be, and if you manage to catch our winning trades, that's good. If you didn't, then it's fine. We will count this as a losing day, and then we will move on to the next day.
Yep. We don't want to, bring people to lose and then continue to support over trading because we are trading. So, I hope y'all put your trust in us, but
Not
sometimes
too
we
much.
gotta cut our losses, Yeah. You guys gotta put your trust in us and yourselves, that the next day you're gonna win and you're gonna be able to trade by yourself. Almost tapped our SL, but has been a bit of a reversal, it seems. So let us see if we can hold it up to the top. God, is it raining for you? Holy shit, it's raining like hell.
Nope.
Damn. Like a whole ass typhoon outside, yo. I'm glad that everybody, still came and watched us today, even though we're losing. Very nice, very heartwarming.
Go become two homeless in one day. What the fuck? Hey, if what price will be shocked for this 1 hour uptrend? Below 3314 will. Yeah, I think below 3314, right? 3314, 3315 is like a clear shock.
There's always minor change of characters and major change of characters. So
You know,
if
like
you want full confirmation, then you just gotta wait for lower lows, like actual lower lows. The first lower low might not be clear, you know.
Yep. Thank you, bro. Much love to everyone that is really open-minded, you know, and understanding.
Yeah.
Because, you know, in the long run, we are still in profit, you know. Because
Yeah.
even though if today is the last day, right? Let's say maximum even 200 pips, even we're still up like a 1,000 pips from this week.
Guyver, he wants you to sing the Lai Chang Ninja song, bro.
Yo,
You sing it for them?
that song is a curse. An ad.
Oh, come on, bro.
If I sing it, Coach Liu gotta give me like 200 baht, you know. ต้องเลี้ยงตีน้อยโค้ชหลิวต้องเลี้ยงตีน้อย if I sing it.
Yeah, Coach Liu was pushing that shit, but like I'm pretty sure it made like half of her viewers drop also, you know, so whoever got order 10 at 20 exactly should be in profits right now, but let's just hold. Let's just, you know, let's be patient here. There's a little bit of reversal at this zone. Let's wait for our rocket. We might have to pull out the magnet, you know. Today we have not pulled out the magnet yet.
Can I light them
So-
up your all mood with my joke? Sure, bro. I'm gonna be honest, like, you know, even though trading is a plan and it does follows my plan, right? You know, seeing you all take the trade with me, trust me, and I fail you is kind of, you know,
Yeah.
it's kind
I
of.
feel like that's why we're trying to build this community, you know.
Yep. So what's the
'Cause-
joke? So nice.
What is the joke? Misgendering is fine, whatever. We're not gonna get canceled, right? Come on, go ahead, bro. Hit us. Yeah, pull up the rocket. The rocket will be pulled up after TP1, yo.
We don't wanna put how to say put our insane techniques to like a volatile
Yeah,
pace,
we-
you know. It
yeah,
must
yeah.
it must be legendary, you know.
It must be a legendary trade of like at least 5,000 pips, bro. I'm be for real. Wait, what's up, Monica? Oh my god, wait. Is this racist? Are you sure this is misgendering or a racist joke?
Yo. Yo, Amara, look at this dude, bro.
Hey, bro. Sus, bro.
Misgender, of course. What's up? So what do we respond? Yeah? What do you mean? What do you mean, Monica?
I've said the N-word multiple times in this live, yo.
Okay, I mean, it's okay because you're black, bro.
Yeah, obviously, but he's saying a name, you know, so.
Whatever. I don't get it, sorry. Oh, I mean, can you
Basically, he's saying like, "What's up, Monica?" Right? But if you say it really fast, like, "What's up, Monica?" it sounds like, "What's up, my nigga?" You know. So
Yo, okay,
she lives in South Africa.
So nice,
yo.
Amara.
Look where she
She's
turns, bro.
South Africa, Amara.
Anywhere she turns, bro, it's a black person.
No, Thai people is so wild, bro.
Yo, that's sus, bro.
Nah, that's
That's messed up.
You're telling a South African woman that she...
Oh, I think 90% of her friends are black, yo, you know. I'm not too sure about that.
That's funny, bro.
Yeah, definitely lighten up the mood, yo, you know. Misgendering and
And racism.
yeah, a little tan skin.
Yeah. But you are...
All right, bro. I'm light skin. Get it right. 6'7", light skin, nonchalant.
Light skin yet nonchalant? I don't think so.
We're close to our SL, guys. About
Let's
20
see if we are nonchalant about this trade or not.
Yeah, let's see if we're nonchalant, yo. Today we've been holding on, yo. You know.
We've been trying to, you know, flip the table.
Yeah.
I mean, if anyone is still holding our trades though, from up there, oh my god, bro, big profits, bigger profits.
Like every time we see we like, you know, see the trade, right, that we want to sell, we'd be like, yeah, let's sell. The graph rockets up. We analyze it again. Let's buy. This shit decides to drop after we fucking stop selling, bro. So like, you know, gold really do be moving on its own today. Every other day it would decide to listen to our, you know, strategy, but fuck.
Not today. It is right above our SR right now.
Yeah, it's edging, yo. It's actually edging, bro.
Boom. I guys see you tomorrow.
It has hit my SL completely. Y'all, whoever took this trade, take that break. You know, pat yourself in the back. Y'all at least try to hustle, get that money up, right?
Like for real?
We're still gonna be on live. It might be a short live, but like fuck.
Let me put this. So basically, I will just count the round 9, okay? Because that's a bigger SL. Just for transparency. we're back to the same SL.
Bro, when our TP1 becomes SL, bro, holy shit. We were waiting all afternoon, you know, by the way, for 21 levels, 20 levels, 18.
9.
Right? It just never came down. But now it decides to come down, which is quite unfortunate. It was like sidewaysing for a solid 2 hours. I decided to take a nap, bro. I got up pretty early today. I woke up, it was still sidewaysing, bro. So we're like, you know what, fuck it. Let's just, you know, take our profits and break even. We took about like 50 pips, I think. You know. And then now it's just whoever didn't close, I guess, you know, trusted the strategy. I guess y'all be profits, but like fuck.
Because I did say that the 20 and 21 is coming.
Yeah, we did say that, like in the Telegram. But we didn't know when. We were following volume, yeah. So when we decided to buy, it decides to do a minor change of structure. So oopsies. RP analysis for today.
120 pips.
Maybe we'll for today we'll be on live, but we'll hold off on scalping for any more losses because it's high risk. So let's just wait for the super main zones to reduce the risk, and let's hope to get all our most of our profits back at least.
Let me lay out the main zone for you guys, so at least if it doesn't come catch, you guys can get the by limit.
Y'all can set your limits, you know. So I think today we're gonna hold off on scalping. It's gonna drain you guys, and if you guys do follow the trades,
that's like
today we are drained already. In the morning, it's quite rough. So yeah. You know, we should be like Asian Bright, honestly, like just Bright.
Wake up.
We take the trade and just hop on the game, you know. Dude, when was the last time we played the game? It was like 2.5 weeks ago, I swear, you know. Like every single day we got like 0. And like it's exam season, and also when exam season does come off, right? We're gonna be locked in on this, right? We're probably gonna be living twice a day, once in the morning, once at
Hopefully
night.
not like this, but yeah.
Yeah, hopefully living with greens, with blues.
Alright. Amara Tonoi. Let me call up everyone. Let me.
Oh my god, my fucking ears.
So everyone, you guys can put this cell and buy volume here, right? Sell limit and buy limit. I mean, if you guys took enough loss today, stop trading. That's the right mindset. You guys, wait. Let me expand this a bit.
Yeah.
Not to flex.
Let's just listen to what Donoi has to say, right? And review the losses that we took today. Why
Okay, so
what we were trying to do.
So
okay?
basically, right?
So-
On the 7th July, we took 3 win 1 losses, including the live. The live it did broke through our main zone. So at first we were up like 260 pips, but then the one loss in the live took 90 pips. So we were back at around 180 to 200 pips. Still a debut day. Debut in the shot. And then for the 8th of July, which is on a Tuesday, we did took a lot of profits. It is around 447 pips to 503 pips. It is depending on the layers you guys took, right? So 2 losses, and then this is including the live session. So I think in the last session we managed to take like 2.3 like 2,300 points, which is like 230 pips. So yeah, that's why we got like a big W, right? And yesterday we took so in the community, right, with the live session, we took like 340 pips around, and then the last order I gave to you at the end of the day, we got 160 pips. It was supposed to be the order for today because it did take TP today, but then I included to yesterday. So hypothetically, right, today we're up 60 pips. I'm joking.
Bro is trying to, clean up his tracks. Alright, let's go. Let's start from the first order. Why we lost the first order, guys.
Alright, let's go.
So, as you guys can see, a clear uptrend, by the way.
Let me see.
Very clear uptrend, right? From last night's volume. We took a buy down here at 307. We took profit at 24.
Where's round
I
one?
think that's take profit for.
Let me find the round one.
Round one is around
Round one for today.
Yeah, it's over there. That's round one.
Round one, yeah. So basically, right, it did create like a so when scalping, right, you go to 1 minute and you basically just find every supply and demand zone and then take only 100 points, right? So this is basically like the the zone we took. As you can see here, there's also like the if any students is in the live, there's also hidden candle, and also like it is you see how much it bounced here, right? Which created a strong rejection. That's why we took the trade.
Twice.
We took the trade, and guys, our first TP is 15 pips, right? You see how close we are. It was basically 1.5 pips away from our TP. However, I did basically just put my scalping order and went to do my shit. So I didn't really see. And then boom, it broke down.
We trusted the plan.
Yeah.
We trusted that gold was gonna continue on its uptrend.
Yeah. It broke down, and then this is another layer, right?
There was another layer that we took. I think we took this on the 5-minute, 15-minute.
There was another layer that we took. We did try to go on a lower layer, so that's why it's like low here, but it did come up, right when we took it did come up 13 pips again, and then boom, smash down our SL. This 2 trades is in our community, Discord and Telegram. However, I didn't put it in our I put it in our live, just for full transparency. And this third trade, right? This third trade is all on me, the plan just failed. So yeah. Fourth
Yeah,
trade.
because of the sell volume that we both got knocked out of
Yeah.
out of buy zone, we decided, yo,
And you see how the big uptrend from yesterday is, right? Look, you look there. And then once it reached here, I realized that okay, the sale volume is insane, right? After it breaking the third one. So I wait for
the
it to
third buy,
retrace
yeah.
and wait for follow sale. And boom.
And unfortunately, we
Yeah.
lost both sell volume because gold decided to, I guess,
Yep.
manipulate some of retail traders' stop losses like us today, and
Yep.
then
And then
fly up.
once this zone is broken, right? It became our floor. I mean, it became our ceiling. You know, once the floor is broke, it became our ceiling. That's why we took like a selling trade here. We did go above a little above our zone to find like a better position, and then boom, just went straight to SL.
Yep.
This trade,
This was a
right?
big order too.
Yeah, this trade we enter off the uptrend it created, right? So the uptrend created, but then it stopped here. Which what does it mean? It means that it created a new supply zone. So that's why we enter this trade. It's not only that, by the way. It was this order was on the top of the 4-hour trend line too, and the store was overbought. So we decided to take this trade. It did go up to almost SL. Bam, came down to TP.
And it came down to TP.
But
We took another one.
but it came down to TP, but then smashed through. So I didn't count because I understand that like people in the community does have like different spread, right? And it need to smash down the TP to like for the order to be able to get the TP one. So I just tell them to say break even and shit, and then once it go up, it hit break even. So this trade is actually 50 pips in profits, and then we did tell you guys that to say break even, and when it come up, right, there's another sale opportunity around here and here because it is the zone that we drew like a long time ago. Because the trend line and thingy, like I said, it's basically the same reason as this. It's just like a higher zone, and this one the main reason we took this trade was because the store is already like pointing down. So when we took the trade, right, yeah, it did come down and then go up almost our SL. So if anyone trusts in the process, right, if anyone trusts in our setup and did follow the plan, almost hit our SL. Look, 7 pips away from our SL, and then boom. That is like 900 points, 90 pips. This one is basically is the same trade. So this one is 700 and 900 pips. 70 pips and 90 pips, but we didn't count that, for full transparency. I tell you guys to clear blue once it hit like 22, and once again when it hit 24. So yeah, the profit is probably around 20 to 70 pips, because I did ask like what layer did you guys get from the first order. Someone got it from 24. I got it from 24, and someone got it from 29, right there. So I count, the lowest layer and the highest layer, which is 20 to 70 pips. And once again, I asked for here. So it's somebody got 27, somebody got 29. So I count 50 to 70 pips because I told you guys to clear blue around here, right there. So yeah, that's basically the trades we lost. Not the trade in the live, right? So it basically broke the trend line, right, in the 1 minute and 5 minute. This trend line, I adjusted it like 2 times because to see if like the new trend line is tweaked or not. But at first the trend line was basically like around here. So as you can see, it broke. It broke through, and once it broke through, right, basically normally, right, when the trend line broke through, it will go like this. Let's say like boop, like this, right? And once it broke through, if it retests, it will bounce up. But it didn't. As you can see here, the first trade we took. So wait, the first trade we took was, I think it's a scalping order, right? Right here. So the first trade we took was directly on the trend line, a scalp buy. It didn't respect the trend line and broke through. So we find like the the demand zone created by the tail of the candle. Find the good price. Boom, still broke through. So this today, basically our plan is not is not clocking to us. You feel me? Yeah. We accept defeat. So today defeat is 37 pips. We accepted. GG. If you guys took enough trades, orders against volume. So yeah, so basically like maybe you guys review order for us supported first. So basically, right? It is against the volume, but it is a zone that we created. We follow the zone because scalping, right? Scalping, it doesn't matter if in the morning there's not much volume to say that it is against the volume. Like as you can see, right? After it hit the top, it came down, bounced up. So we know that this zone might be legit. It's like how to say reasonable zone to enter. We entered, it broke. Almost though. Almost at our TP. I would say that after three trades, we try to follow the volume, right? And boom. It just ditch us from the it is from this zone that it bounced back up.
I was talking to you this whole time, but I was muted.
Nice. However, the two trades we give when we were not living, it was, I think it was following the store overbought, which is we followed the volume of selling, but the volume did kick almost like right into the SL. As you can see, like it is 5 pips away from the SL. Yeah.
Yeah, it was close. It was close.
However, it did come down to our TP2, I think.
Yeah.
Let me see.
At first, we were expecting the trend to continue, right? And then when we realized the volume was quite insane, we tried following the volume. Gold decides to reverse and then, stops us out twice in a row. Then we decide, all right, let's focus on selling here because we're at the top of the trend line. It breaks through slightly, but good thing our SL was at the top of the trend line, so we didn't get stopped out completely. And we decided to,
Yeah, because normally, right? Normally in the morning scalping orders that I've been giving you for like 3 weeks
would be actually crazy.
It is basically of like the same reason and the same entry points.
Usually gold wouldn't want to reverse with that much volume in the morning, so
Yeah, the morning is like an easy scalping orders because there's not much volume. Like it will slowly climb to our like TP.
Yeah.
With like a small zone, right? Even if the zone is very small, it will still climb to our TP.
Yeah. You wouldn't get stopped out and just liquidated, so
I would say that the reason we lost like today is just gold going against our strategy, which you should like learn how to accept it, right? Because our strategy does have a high win rate. We did back like 500. We did back like over 1,000 pips this week, but hey, a loss is a loss. We should accept it and then move forward.
In compare percent, today is the only day that's been like this, yo.
This is rare. If you can compare in percent, how much do you say? You wanna see our trades in you wanna see our trades in Telegram? Wait, let me show you.
Yeah, today has been the only, from our experience today, from like
okay, Tonai, let's say that today is the first day that we lost from 21 days. Well, basically from 50 trading, no, from 15 trading days. It is only today that we lost.
I'm pretty sure there was also one day where we lost in the live and broke even from the Telegram.
No, not broke even.
But that didn't even count.
In the Telegram, we still back 180 pips that day.
Really?
Yes.
Was it not break even?
Like,
For
let's
that?
just say like in the past 50. That's why today we were pretty like, we were pretty
Yeah, we were pretty fucked. Bummed out.
yeah, we were pretty bummed out because we
So
have
we had
not.
a crazy green run,
Yeah, because I personally I want to keep my green streak, my gooning streak. What?
Okay, bro.
Let me show you since like the first day. So from the first day, this is our first order. This is from the first day. This is our first order. It hit TP. It hit TP2. It hit TP2 and went and then break even. So we back like 800 points. And then second order in our Telegram. Sell limit. Uh it came down to 88. So it almost hit TP1. And then we tell you guys to take partial profits and then set break even. So that's another win. And then next day we live. Uh there's no picture, right? But in the live we basically sold at 3391 and then it hit all our TP to 3369. So that's 200 pips. And then this one is the next live. This one was the buy limit I gave. Hit TP1. So that was 500 points. And then after that is just wait, let me. I've not been like recapping as much. Okay, so on our day 5, we got around 4,500 points like this, where there's still like 5 people in our channel. Fellas, the food's on me. And then good night, day 5. Blah blah blah. Today we back 4,500 points. Yeah, yada yada yada. And then day 6. I think we skipped like a lot of recap because we were lazy.
Yeah, when there was no people in the community, you get lazy.
Yeah. And then this is day 6. Day 6 we got 6,150 points. And then day 7, right? Day 7 in the group we got 1,200 points, and then in the live we got 1,000 points. So that's 2,200 points. And then next is day 8, right? Day 8 I got on live. On live it was, let me see. We got 1,000 points on live. Oh wait, never mind. This is yeah, on live. Day 8 we got 1,000 points. And then day 9 we didn't we didn't put our recap because I think it's it was like holiday, like I mean weekend. Yeah. And then after that we didn't really put the recap until like later, where we feel like okay, we should really like organize the thing. Like we
That
should
was when we had like 30
org-
members, I think.
yeah, we should
30-ish.
organize the Discord and then like make it round 1, round 2, round 3, and then recap every day, right? There is this
So yeah,
there's this trade on the day, I think day 10, that we got the TP2, and then scalping by TP again, and then TP4 800 points.
Yeah, I have screenshots of like previous crazy trades that we took.
And then
So basically, what we're telling you, Tono, is that
and this.
no matter how much TPs in a row you get, you want to leverage the same lot sizes and not okay. What is that fucking thumbnail, bro? You wanna money manage no matter what, right? Because we've been winning these past couple weeks, right? And only one day where we've been losing. And 5 orders in a row, we only lost 100 pips. Just imagine that. Usually, I'd blow my account in 3 orders already, because I'm a greedy fuck. I'm gonna admit that. Went back
Basically,
then.
right, Tonai, it's all about the mental.
Yeah, it's about the mental. No matter how many green days you have in a row, you still have to follow the plan. You're gonna be like, damn, I'm goated as fuck. I'm gonna over leverage and just gamble my account and double it every single day because I'm winning, right?
Yeah,
Nah, just like
that is to your perspective though. I feel like if you're trading like alone, right? If me and Amir is trading alone, we take all the greens, we take one loss, we don't give a fuck, right? Because we got a right
yeah,
MM, and then our account is still growing, the profit is still coming in. But if you are in like our shoe, right? We're giving out, orders, right? And some people don't want to clear blue. Some people don't want to set break even. Some people don't want to follow
yeah,
our instructions. Or maybe some people just know us yesterday, like last night, and then
yeah.
came
Like
into
last
trading with
night,
us today.
today,
Yeah, and then
and then
they
we
will
hit
just
for
have that
ourselves.
impression of us, right? That we took basically like almost 10 orders today and lost 37 pips in total. That is their first impression, right? Even though in this week we back 1,000 pips, 10,000 points, you know, it
Yeah, it's
doesn't.
like yeah, we're just trying to teach you guys that, y'all shouldn't really rely on us, right? You should rely on your own mental, right? Be confident in yourself. So we want you guys to learn the techniques that we use to go trade by yourself. Because all these orders we give is off the technique that we learned, by the way.
Yeah,
There's other coaches that wait for a better zone, but we try to, focus mainly on like scout. We adapt to, what gold is doing,
yeah.
for the
Our
day.
winning ratio of like, so I didn't really count, to be honest. I didn't really count like the orders I gave on live. I just count, the order I gave on live as one order. So
Yeah.
basically, our winning ratio right now is 19 wins and 9 loses this week. So it's around like
Yeah.
60% win rate, right? Mostly
5 losses came from one day.
yeah, and half of that losses came from today. Yo, but you know
Uh,
how crazy it is that all that losses add up together is not even 100 pips. So basically,
yeah.
our SL,
My
right?
losses.
I'm pretty confident that if you follow our instruction like word by word every day, you're guaranteed like to be
Yeah,
profitable in
account
this
to
market.
grow. You're guaranteed profitably, but you just have to listen and then,
Yeah,
don't be greedy. Like when
because
we say TP 1, 2, 3, don't wait for TP 3. Just take your profits and,
yeah,
get the fuck
you
out of
should
there.
take like at least half of your order
Lot
at
sizes,
TP1.
So
Yeah. Like as you can see here, right? Our net pips, like right now, from this is counted when when today when we lost 98 pips. By the way, right now we did recover a little bit, but still in drawdown. so
yep,
so right now we are still 37 pips in drawdown for today, which it will be equal to, so basically the net profit pips for this week is around 1,100 to 1,160 pips. Even after today's drawdown, by the way. Yeah.
yep. So when I say, strategy does adapt, notice how Monday, right? We only had 4 orders. And I think on the live we had like only 3 or something. And the next day, gold has been following everything, so we just kept milking profits off of it.
Yeah.
So it's like it just depends. Today, we tried doing the same. It disrespects us, so we're going to basically stop, trying to scalp because gold does not want to respect our scalping order zones.
Like,
So
I'm really confident that, okay, I'm really confident that I'm good in trading. We might
yeah,
not have 100% win rate, but we do have a high percent win rate for you guys to make profit.
So if you look at it weekly, you will compound your account. You know, you wanna go by day.
You don't want to lose 5 order from me and then overlap the next one and lose your account.
Yeah, trying to win it all back, you know.
Yeah.
Think long term, you know. Trading, you don't get into trading just for a quick, you know, cash grab. It's a long term game, y'all.
Let's say if you guys saw me winning 3 trades, right? In Monday, right? 7th of July. If you guys saw me win 3 trades in a row and then you be like, "Oh, next trade confirm win." And then you overtrade and then you lost, you guys will still blame
Yeah.
it on me, right? Because I gave the losing signals even though I gave 3 winning already. Yeah, and that's just how it is. I'm pretty sure that we're pretty like we're able to give this much order also because we are really like our main
We're
focus
pumped
is
up,
like
yo.
our main focus is like on trading right now, right? And
Trying
that's
to grow the
basically the
community
reason
into
why
something
we go
great.
live, because we want to share our knowledge to you guys. Our mindset, the knowledge, everything that you guys need to know to be able to survive in this market.
Yep. And honestly, if there's somebody that's interested, you know, we're able to pass down that knowledge 101. If y'all are interested, you know. So
Still finding that first student low key.
yeah, because we've only been live for 3 weeks, you know. People don't know about us yet. So in the Ninja community, Ninja Map community, right? Most of them know them from Thai, right? The Thai community. So we don't have a student yet. But low key, when like this one person reaches out to us, bro, I'm gonna treat him like a fucking baby, bro. Like a son.
Okay, bro, what?
He's basically gonna come out of this fucking trading course like a new person, you know?
Right now, I don't want to take any more trades, but you guys can take the sell limit and the buy limit. I put this
Yeah,
as a
right
sell
now,
limit.
no more scalping, no more high risk trades, just you know, main zones. Let's just chill out for today.
Wait, let's see how many.
Let's like, you know, reset our mental.
I
Hopefully you
want you
guys are
guys to
resetting it
learn
with
how to
us.
take losses too. You feel me?
Yeah. When you guys know how to take profits, you guys need to learn how to take losses, you know, take the L and walk away. You know, be the bigger man. You know, it's like let's say you have a fight with a school bully, right? Today, we're getting bullied by gold. So y'all don't want to get expelled from school, aka blow your account, then y'all just walk away.
Let me update the Telegram too.
Let's be mindful here. No more high risk trades, no more scalping. We're just gonna take main orders. Whoever is new here that's just clicked into the stream, it's gonna say we took hella L's today, but tomorrow might be some new.
I mean,
So
Hella L
please
is
join the
still
Telegram.
only 37 pips though.
Yeah, five orders in a row with right money management. This is probably like only 5 to 10% of your account. It's nothing. You guys can make that back in 2 trades, you know, with us. So whoever's interested, y'all can test the waters with us, you know, maybe, you know, take a couple trades with us by joining the Telegram and then, you know, wait for tomorrow. You know, yeah. First day that we are ever, you know, this, you know. But we still don't doubt the strategy. Notice how we took a couple L's in a row. We didn't doubt the strategy. We were still confident. But once we found out that, you know, gold is going to do its own thing today, we're going to, you know, of course, take a break. Strategy is going to always be there, you know, but mental is something that needs to be kept for sure. Always got to watch out for that stuff. also the fact that, you know, Gold is doing its own thing.
Two nine.
Asian Bright has a NPC voice line. It's just W's in the chat. Bro, it's just L or W, just W anyways, bro. This dude just saying shit. Oh, y'all, I need to get a haircut, bro. Y'all want to see me bald? I'm kidding, bro. All right, I think we should do weekly recap tomorrow on Friday, and then kind
So
of the
just like
tips for what
weekly recap of so far.
so far. Okay, I mean we did that already, no?
No, we did not. It's not updated yet.
Oh, with the live session.
Mm.
I mean, don't we want to wait for us to stop living first, just in case.
We're not living like for a long time today.
All right, word.
Because in the morning session we already live 1 hour, right? So we already
Yeah,
got
so
we
we're
only
gonna be
got
doing 2
43
hours.
go bot, bro.
Go bald, bro. All right. All right, gang. This guy trying to pray for my downfall, yo. I won't get any huzz, bro.
Are you not getting?
Yeah, already not getting huzz, bro. I gotta hide my face, because I'm chopped as fuck. Go bald like LeBron, bro. I don't have a cooked hairline, okay? I have a pretty good hairline. So he's got receding, bro. Him, Bronny, and Bryce all cooked, bro. Oh, unless I go bald like Legoats and I become LeBron. Wait, actually, bro is cooking. Hold on. I might be Legoat, guys.
Ba ba da 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 ba ba da 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 ba da.
Oh, somebody clearly requested the Light Tang Ninja song. That's not it, bro.
Who?
The Ninja Map song.
Bro, if I start
That-
singing and more people is tuning in, I will sing, bro. Not even like
Yeah, it's gonna
any
become a
song,
singing
bro.
stream.
Any song.
Guyver, notice how there's no volume and we're not taking any scalping trades?
Why?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No, the fuck?
No?
What do you mean? Oh.
We haven't had one of those games in a while.
Bro, this guy. Have you been noticing how we got 0 viewers lately?
That's so real. Yo, our most well doing short was of us getting on the game mid trade, bro.
Uh-huh.
So
That's
low-key,
only
they
the
want to see
shorts,
that
though.
shit. That's true.
Let me put the... My Disney.
Hey.
What?
Drop rice.
Ninja map.
Nah, we played like so we had a generational run. It started off from CS to R6 to a short amount of League of Legends, then Valorant. Now we're just back to League of Legends. Cause we're washed up, bro. Like FPS, the fucking skill ceiling is a little too high, bro.
We need to have no life
Everybody
and play all
else
day.
is too good. Yeah, like tell me why in silver? Like I mean, we peaked like diamond and shit, but like now silvers are the new diamonds, bro. Like we had one of those phases where we were just gonna play indie games and that's it, cause we're just low key kind of unks now. So diamond is scammed. What do you mean by that? Is it because of ascendant?
We did hit diamond before there's ascendant. I'm changing our name to Coach GNA na. Because
Which
of
one?
cartel.
Oh,
What
what do
this
you mean by that?
what this guy on about?
Cartel. We not in Mexico, are we? This is not the peakest time, bruh. Yo, I hit home. I'm like ready to sleep at 9 p.m. already, bro. But like we out here grinding.
It's the peakest time, bro. Come on.
Peakest time would be to go to the gym. That's the new game, yo.
Bro's calling me out.
Unk. Nigga, you my age, bro. We the same age, dog. What you talking about? See a beard on me?
Bro.
I can't grow one, bro. What the fuck you talking about, Unk, bro? Like my homie, my age, right? He grows the beard in 2 days, bro. I can't grow one. I've been trying to grow facial hair for like the longest time. But I swear to God, it just looks like a bunch of pubes on my face.
Yeah, it looks like a pubes on your head too, bro.
Okay, bro. Just because I got curly hair, bro. What are your pubes fucking pinned straight, bro?
No, my pubes.
talking about
I
bald
curl
hair,
my
bro.
pubes every day, na.
Okay, bro.
Just in
Why
case
not bleach
someone
it?
want to surprise it.
I twirl my ball hairs thinking about her.
Bro, what is this?
Yo,
Bro.
you're still here. I totally forgot. Yo, my bad. My
Yo,
bad.
wait. Oh shit.
Excuse us, yo.
Yo, don't let your boyfriend see this, bro. No. Cannot.
Yeah, don't let your man see this, bro. Excuse us.
Update เรื่องการเคลมบอลนี้เดี๋ยวได้ทำไว้ยังไง
Right now, I see. I think we just want to sit here and wait to see what the news volume has for us.
ไอ้เมีย
Wait, it already passed. What the fuck?
อะไรนะ
That's it?
What did you say?
The news already like. That's it.
No, it was down ไงไอ้เมีย
That was the move.
Wait, is it? No, never mind. The news was like the green candle.
It was nothing, bro.
115-minute green candle.
It was nothing.
Nothing. I mean, it did give like the uptrend though. แล้วกูไปรีพลายอันนี้แทนเฉยเลยไอ้เหี้ยกูโคตรเลยสัตว์
What?
Oh no, bro. Coach Liu started a cult, bro, in the No, you guys are funny as well. Thank you, bro.
Are we though? Yo, you calling me funny, but why Shorty not laughing at my jokes, bro?
Shorty in this, it means
Yo, she just
his
trying
ex,
to
by
play
the
hard to
way.
get, right?
Shorty
Right?
he's referring to is his
Tell
ex, by
me
the
I'm
way.
delusional.
You're delusional, bro. Let me
Not
find like
delusional thing.
a. Let me try that on your butt.
Let me know yo, but what? What if I say we don't? Shorty kept calling my phone. Dude, I washed my hair 3 hours ago. It's still not dry, bro. What the fuck going on? The inside of my head is fucking wet as fuck. I mean, usually unemployment claims would have more fucking volume than this, but it's quite. That's whatever. Oh well.
Do you guys want more? Do you guys want more order, or should we stop?
Let's. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let's have let's have feedback. You guys want more orders, or y'all want to chill out for today with us? Just vibing.
I want Roblox, bro. New Siren release.
What the fuck? What is All Star? What are you talking about? I'm not, I haven't played Roblox ever. So.
It's the anime map, I think.
I heard about this Grow Garden shit, which sounds that shit apparently was fire, bro. I'm pretty sure I heard about it the same day. This nigga maxed out everything on Grow Garden, by the way. Like it was 3 a.m. once upon a time, right? This was like I think a week or two before we actually started doing this shit, right? And like he was like, "Yo, check this out, Amir. I got like gazillion billion dollars, and like I'm
You
like
guys live
helping
stream
everybody."
what you playing also? You wanna watch?
I mean, look at our channel theme, yo. Like, it's called the FX Side Quest with a fucking gaming controller, yo. We are literally just kids trying to fucking make bread, right? So, right now the community is quite small. We're not allowed to do that. We're trying to grow it, right? So
Hold up. I mean,
we
I'm
did
putting.
it once.
Yo, wait. I'm putting my sell limit and buy limit. You feel me? Hold up.
But we did it once. We did it once because we already live streamed 3 hours. We gave hella profits in the live. So we just decided, you know what? Fuck it. Let's live stream what we play. You'd watch? No way, bro.
Wait.
Yeah, you know what? People do be supporting that shit.
Hold up.
But like every time after we live, right? We don't have much time to play games because like I'm editing the videos and shorts, right? And he's like fucking setting up for tomorrow's shit, right? So it's like it's quite rough, yo. And this dude is already setting up. For this dude is ready, bro. Bro, she said that the screen has to be smaller, bro. I mean the trading screen has to be bigger than the.
She doesn't have to find out.
Yeah, as long as you guys don't tell the.
Coach Liu.
Yeah, so there's a lady named Coach Liu. She's basically the start of this community, right? And we are coaches under her watch. Last time we almost got absolutely, she's like a mom, yo.
Yo, let me Roblox gaming. A grown ass man playing Roblox, by the way. Yeah, we do be doing shit like that.
You know, this guy always invites me to play Roblox. I never say yes because I'm a grown. Look, I'm fucking 19 years old, bro. What is this dude doing? Look at him. Look at him. Look.
Hey, no
Yeah,
discrimination.
we still trading, but like, you know, she wants us to talk to the people. You know, get a trading community. She wants us to, you know, be active in the order and not, you know,
I mean,
distracted.
that diamond is not relevant anymore. Okay, bro.
Oh, we're talking about diamond in a game, like rank, not the jewel. Yeah, diamond is not is I mean, buying real diamond isn't as rare anymore, and as like people don't really want to do that anymore because, you know, lab grown diamonds are cheaper and a lot more easier to make, and they don't gotta have slaves in Congo, you know, mining for that shit. So bro, I don't want Roblox huzz, bro. I want real life huzz that I can touch, bro. What are you talking about? Fucking Roblox girls, bro. What? This dude tripping, bro. Actually,
Wait, I'm like moving the order so you guys can still see the limit.
I remember once upon a time on like fucking on like Valorant, when like all the e-boys be like hearing a girl instantly, they'd be like, they'd be like trying to make the lowest fucking voice they can, bro. Actually, the gayest shit ever. Yo, y'all see y'all see our thumbnail today, bro? You guys like my money spread?
Yeah, 20 baht.
This was my withdrawal this week, by the way. This is straight cash right here. See this? Real. Y'all see that? Real. Real cash. Oh, in our faculty, bro, your first years are actually some baddies, bro. You took the pre-test yesterday, right? I heard that there's some hella baddies. So I'm gonna be that senior, be like, yo, what's up? Let me show you're on campus type shit, you know? Rich! Millionaire! Rich. You know how much this is, Amara? 20 baht in Thai baht, $2 to USD. I'm holding about 2 bands up right now, you know?
2 bands.
2 bands as in $2. Actually, hold on, this is not $2 yet. This is like $1.50. Hold on, let me add this. That's $2 now, guys.
Rich.
Ka-ching, baby. Millionaire, rich, millionaire, bombo clat. Bro, I don't got a girl yet, nah.
The girl you saw him at the uni is his ex, bro.
Bro, why you keep outing me like that, bro? She chop anyways, bro.
Yeah, bro.
And here I am tripping over some hoe, bro.
Yo.
What is this game, bro?
Fuck! I suck ass.
Her father owns a private jet in Thailand. In this economy, are you joking?
Private jet? Holy shit, bro. I'm living meal by meal, meal by meal, and holy shit,
Yeah,
I'm so
bro.
large. The fuck?
35 ZAR, that's a lot of fucking moolah, bro. I don't know what that gets you in South Africa, but here that gets you like a nice meal. Yoki at like KFC.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, obviously not, bro. The fuck?
Not really.
So basically, I'm in university. We both are in university, and this person, Asian, right? We just found out that bro is my junior. This world is way too small. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And he saw me in person.
Yeah, with his ex.
Basically, if he stop, bro. This guy saw me in person, but I don't want him to rat me out about this, bro. This is like my secret identity. I'll be that like secret millionaire, you know, for the hus.
Cap, bro.
We are freshly 19. I'm a 06. Bro is also 06 here. He's about to turn 19 in 13 days. 2 weeks, exactly. I turned 19 last month. So... Yo! How old are you, bro? Amara?
23.
How do you know that?
I did a little, you know, customer research.
Customer research. Okay, bro. No. It's like getting to know the customer, you know.
I shit.
You know?
Yeah. We just wanted to know our like YouTube outreach, you know.
Yeah. What type of people trying to be watching us, you know?
I shit. Asian Bright is like 40 years old uncle.
Yeah, Asian Bright. He's like a little predator that wants to come back to me just cause.
What?
That's not even that bad, yo. 23? That's not even that bad. I think his older brother here is about that age too, 22, right?
Who? Me?
Yeah, you're Shime. 21, 22.
22.
Yeah. So it's not that bad. We just you know, uni just kicked our asses and we decided to hustle instead, you know. So found out a little early. We got a little early in this game, you know. But like, yo, your kid brain makes you make more mistakes, and we're just here to pass on to people that to not make the same mistakes. So hopefully we can save a couple of people wasting their time and money, and bring them straight towards success.
No way.
In the shortest time possible, you know. So. Cause I tell you, when we blew thousands and thousands of dollars of accounts, it's I can't even tell my parents about it, bro. I remember one time. I remember the one time I blew my $1,200 account, right? And that time I was like at an all-time low, and gold decided to all-time high while I was selling. So let me just tell you, bro. I was tweaking for like 3 days straight, yo. So y'all just risk manage. Oh, this guy went straight from shooting guns to growing gardens. Nice.
Shit, I'm stuck. Yo, this game sucks.
Yeah, I remember in Instagram there was this one dude that climbed his big ass fucking cactus, bro.
What is this? What is this? Who is this? Solas? Crypto ING. Yo, Amir. Technically, we're still trading.
Oh, yeah. You know what? While you do that, I'm gonna fucking edit my video, bro. Fuck.
Yo, what? Auto mine in this economy? 99 Robux. Fuck, bro. I guess I gotta, you know, keep mining.
See, notice how what we're doing here? You take L's, don't let it stress you out, yo. With MM, you guys should know that this doesn't really affect your account too much, and you're just hopping on the game happy as ever, yo. So don't stress, bro. If you let trading stress you out, you're gonna have gray hairs early, bro, like me. I'm pretty sure I had like 7 people tell me that I have gray hairs, bro. I swear to God, every single one of them about to get bitch slapped, bro.
True.
I do play game. I game, but I just don't play Roblox because that's some gay shit. I don't know, bro. I can never bring myself to play this children's game. Like, like I play games.
Yo, I mean, wait.
I draw the line here, bro.
How about this? Wait. You guys should come review with me, review session.
Oh yeah, I have a. No, no, no.
So
That's my name. That's how you spell my name.
should we add like a text that spells our name out? Amir and Guyver.
Up to you, bro. Nobody knows how to spell your name, bro. Fucking weird ass.
Okay, bro.
Study sesh. That's chill. Right now, gold is not even moving, bro. So
What you play then? I didn't play Roblox too. Don't worry.
I
Hey,
play like
you
more
missing
FPS
out,
games.
Amara. You missing out.
Yeah, you missed out on last live stream last
No,
week
she
or
missing
2
out
weeks
on
ago.
Roblox.
Oh, you're not missing out on anything. Trust me, bro. This dude telling me he's talking about missing out, bro. What? You ain't missing out about nothing, bro.
Bro, literally, if they see my whole screen right on the live, they would just know I have ADHD.
Yeah.
Right. Watch this. Watch this. How many has can I bag with this?
I just play FPS games that like your average like male type game, you know. I'm a pretty boring dude. But these days I'm trying to, hop out of the gaming scene and like, and like actually, do something with my life. So I've been going to the gym and shit. This dude fucking computer engineering, bro.
Okay, wait. I gotta upload everything for my exam.
Okay, why the fuck you pulling up monkey type mid review session? Wait, what is this ADHD, bro? Huh? You were just talking about studying, bro. And you just, you know what, monkey type.
Okay, wait. Homework. Discrete mathematics. Final exam review. Oh my god, what? So many things open. Okay, wait. Spotify Premium gone. This gone. Let me close Telegram actually. I don't think we would be texting in Telegram anymore for today live. I did put the limit in the Telegram, right? I'm pretty sure I did. What do you study then?
If you didn't, I'll do it, bro.
I mean, I study EBA, I think. Business.
I'm studying economics.
Yeah.
Bro is studying engineering.
Boring.
Yeah, computer engineering specifically.
Boring.
I'm an economics student because I thought money, if you learn money, you can make money. But I realized I can't compete with them tryhards, bro.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
I'm so cooked. Like I'm in like a pretty good university here, right? I think I got accepted due to me being an international student. They love international students, right? And let me just tell you, the locals here, they're a little bit insane, bro. Like I can't compete, bruv.
Hey, I mean, you can't forget we're Asian, you know?
Yo, I'm not 100%, but like fuck. We didn't get the big brain Asian. You got you Chinese, bro. You're supposed to be like a 90A student, bro. Not me. I was born to have like 7 families, you know? The traditional way. I'm half Sudanese, half Thai. Here, my friend here is he has his family lineage is Chinese but I don't know how do you explain it. He's technically Thai, but you know how the Chinese people be reproducing everywhere? Yeah, he's the result of that basically. but he title. You feel? So yeah, I am African Asian, and bro here is Chinese. Yeah, I got like full scholarship dudes here, you know.
Okay, wait. Bro. ChatGPT don't fail on me, bro.
I can't find the video, bro. Where the fuck did I save it? Hey, top rise. Okay, I have all the videos that I down. It took me forever to download, bro. No. I didn't get the scholarship, bro. I did not. If I did, I wouldn't be hustling here, right? You know, just enjoying my life in university, stress free. You know. Oh, actually, no, not stress free, because here they have requirements to keep the scholarship. They got you working at the university and keeping your grades up, bro. So let me tell you that ain't me, bro. Like once I skip one class, I tell you. So Gabber, right? You def. That's a crazy assumption, you know. Insane assumption. Insane assumption that, you know, my homie here is I'm gonna get that in the big That's crazy, bro.
It, you know, honestly, I would sit here and trade all day better than getting my software engineer job. Because in Thailand, right, even though you're a software engineer, you earn like 30K a month, which is around like
800 bucks,
$800.
900.
And that is like high end already. High end for like the freshie, right? You earn $800 a month.
Yep. But we don't see ourselves working like for a company over 10. Like I'm not working for some other nigga's dream, yo. I'm gonna work for my own dream, you know what I mean? So no risk, no Ferrari type shit, you feel? Mr. Take that risk. That's I let me guess, that's why you're here hustling with us, you know, right? Honestly, it's okay to chase your dreams. Just make sure, you know, it doesn't make you homeless, you know. Yeah, no one makes bank. They don't make bank from 9 to 5 unless you're like really outstanding and have a really unique skill. That's like really 1%, but it takes it takes time. Eventually you'll make money if with, you know, investments, savings, you know. Like you're just gonna have a normal lifestyle until like maybe 10, 15 years in, you get a wife, you know, put a down payment on a house, invest for your future kids, you know, grow old together, you know, your kids work, and then, you know, cycle continues, you know what I mean? So like, I don't know, bro. Feel like if you have the chance to take that risk, you know, opportunities will come to you naturally. Uh, you ever heard of this is one video of a dude explaining where, you know, If you don't know what like the future holds for you, just ask, bro. You want something, just ask. Like, just ask. No harm in asking, you know. If you got the balls, just do it. Like, if you don't know if that girl likes you, just ask. But me, on the other hand, I'm a pussy. So I didn't ask. Like, the whole reason I'm in this position is because I saw Coach Liu's story, right? Finding international people. You still could get a job. But yeah, it's rough being a little unemployed because, like, you know, you don't got really nothing to do. But like, yeah. The whole reason I'm in this position is because I asked, right? And she delivered. So I found the opportunity, or Guyver sent me the you know, the thing, right? He was in this community originally, and I was also in the trading scene, but wasn't in the Thai community because I don't really read. Look, when it comes to reading Thai, I get lazy, right? And then one day, Coach Liu decided to basically make her grow her community to globally, right? And we saw opportunity, and we asked, you know. So here we are, I guess. Never expected myself to be in this position, you know. But yeah, it's okay to have fun when you're young, you know, for real. Where are you originally from, Amara? You said you're South African, right? Are you like fully South African? Asian pride with a W, bro. Yeah. I just hope I don't go homeless, you know, doing it. But like, it seems like it's not gonna happen, so that's great. Where did my homie go, bro? Is this nigga taking a shit? Born and raised. Your parents are both African.
Yo, man.
What's up?
Look. Man.
What is that?
No, it's a
Bro.
no, I'm joking. It's a honey lemon soda, bro.
Oh, okay, bro. I thought, you know, rough day, bro. Rough day. Hey, hey, rough day, bro. You know, I'm actually about to. I look. Me personally, I don't drink alcohol, right? I'm not saying you have alcohol, right? But you know, I eat sweets to you know, to level out the stress.
No, this is the 0 calories syrup.
Syrup. Don't
Yeah.
ever say syrup, bro. You know, it's like juice and dewy.
Really?
Syrup and syrup, bro.
I don't know, bro. I would say syrup. No, because in Thai, right, it is pronounced syrup.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Dewy and juice
Like
and dewy.
like in Thai, there's like an specific word for syrup.
What the fuck? What kind of mix is that, yo? Jesus, bruv.
What? That's crazy. That's a crazy mix.
I mean, it's South Africa, you know. You see white people there too, you know. South Africans are really the most interesting mix ever, you know. In the African, you know, usually like when you have like Nigeria, they're just like, ooh. Nah, Asian Bright. I don't club. Nah. Usually if I was to ever have alcohol, I'd go over to bro's house, right? And we'd invite a couple friends and we just, have those 6 hour remember when talks when, let's say COVID, right? We have those like, great times on Discord or like going out and shit. Yeah, just casually drink. Cause me, I'm weak as fuck, yo. I have two drinks and I'm out. I'm out. I'm ready to fucking hit the rocks, yo. So if I went to a nightclub, I'd probably die and get all my shit stolen. If I ever went out to a nightclub, I'd probably just order myself a Coke. Yeah. Yeah. Tyla, she's mixed with like a little bit of Indian and shit, bro. Like people mistake her for being Indian, but yeah, it's just Tyla, bro.
Bro.
It's like in my country, Sudan, right? We're part black, part Arab community, right? From some angles, I look Arab. Some angles, I'm just a blackie. So
Look, bro. So very stressed. Gotta take some pills.
some
Look. Gotta take some pills to ease out the stress.
it's fish oil, bro. Side out. Where's your ashwagandha, bro? That shit makes you like next level nonchalant.
I didn't order African diet.
Damn.
I sold
We
at
sold
28.
at 28.
Yeah, that's nice. That's a nice price.
Yeah, we sold twice at the same zone earlier today, right? Where it almost hit our SL.
Your TP should be
But-
at 22.
Yeah, it should be down here.
Yeah. 22 is a nice TP. So yeah, you can wait for 22.
You can see the little level, right? The sideways level where price does not go past. So, damn, you're in blues right now, bro. About 600 pips, bro, or 600 points. Sheesh, bro. Maybe you should be up here as a coach, you know?
Hey, but if you wanna be up here,
Hit us up, bro. Secret project. A little spoiler.
Who know, bro?
Who knows? I told you, bro. You just ask, you know?
If you want, Amara might be up here.
Yeah, who knows? It might be you, it might be Amara. Who knows, bro? We just ask. When we make it big, right? You know, don't be afraid. Like, that's why we have Telegrams. That's why we have our DMs open, right? Y'all need anything, just ask.
Yo, what's up?
Hang one.
What is probably it? What?
What the fuck is happening? Are we trading or are we like what's happening? Are we having a nice talk here, you know? Yo, Asian Bright, I gotta show you fine shit. Rate it for me.
Proceed to send his.
But my bro here says it's top shit, so
I can't say much. It's only been 2 months. Hey,
fine shit,
take your
top
time. Take your time. No way you show us on stream. I thought you were going to like. I'm sending it to her, bro.
You don't know her,
I have her IG.
but her account's private, bro.
I can follow her.
She ain't following you back.
You dare me, huh? Who? Oh shit! Wait, I can't. Oops.
Fine shit.
Who's that?
Yo,
Asian
don't
Bright.
put it to Instagram, bro.
Look, Shomfa. Bam!
I already showed it in the fucking little camera, bro. You don't gotta show it on live, bro. Chill.
Hey, follow her, bro.
Guyver. What the fuck? Unfollowed, bro. What are you doing, bro? You know, Guyver, she already thinks I'm fucking weird, bro. Notice how only we are mutuals?
Nothing to lose, man.
Obviously. Bro, what are you... Nah, this dude fucking compromising me, bro. Oh, hell no, man. I'm cooked.
What are you looking for? For some fine shit.
Oh, we're looking for sniper entries, ping one. Don't worry.
We got our sell limit and buy limit. Right now we're just chilling because today was not like the brightest day for us. We are gonna follow her now.
Don't you guys dare. I'll actually kill every single one of you, you know? I'll actually murder you guys.
You wanna see my fine shit? Let me make it like really small.
จากดราม่าที่ผ่านมานะฮะมัน
You wanna see? Wait. Monkey, you didn't see just now? Let me pull it up again so you can see which
No,
faculty you're in.
Guyver, stop.
She's in.
Stop.
Oh, she didn't say. Oh, unfortunate.
Yo, Guyver, I'll tell her which faculty they're in, bro.
Yo, the person who controls the stream hosts the power, you feel me?
Dude, just scroll on Reels or something, bro. Fuck.
Oh, scroll on her views.
No, bro.
Alright, let me scroll on Reels, you know? Oh shit, she doesn't have any Reels, Amir.
Guys, if we're not live tomorrow, this nigga is dead 6 feet under somewhere, by the way. Oh my god, no way he just did that. I was thinking, no, she hasn't accepted your follow request yet, so like it doesn't matter. This nigga pulled up my ex, bro. What?
Yo, Asian Bright, what's the girl you saw this girl? What's the girl you saw this girl? What's this? Bro's in disbelief.
Oh my god. Stop, bro. Stop. Alpha Mango Gaming. Today, gold kicking our ass. So
Yo,
we decided to,
Alpha
save
Mango,
our
today
mental.
was not the brightest day. That's why we just, we're
Yeah.
chilling on the scalping and we just focusing the main zone right
Yes,
here.
sir.
So the sell limit
We're
and the buy limit
being
right here.
smart and focusing main zone. You shifting Thailand next month?
Yo!
Word, actually?
Wanna meet? Bro acted nonchalant walking down the building.
What do you mean active, bro? I am nonchalant, bro. Like, what's up?
Wait. You guys wanna see some secret Amir views?
Guyver, wait. Wait. Guyver, don't do that, bro. Oh, okay. I thought you. Wait.
Wait, let me go on my profile.
Wait, don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Wait. Ever, please, I'm begging you, bro. Please.
Do
No,
it! Do it!
actually. No. There's something that, that cannot be shown on live, yo. Holy shit.
Do it! Yo.
No. You don't, no. They don't see it. They're not allowed to see it. Oh. What is this, bro?
Yo, Asian Bright, take your partial profits soon. Okay? Asian Bright is almost 22. Take your partial profits soon. Public want it, buddy. I'm not holding the guns.
You guys actually got me fucked up, bro. You know that? Guys, digital footprint exists, you know? You know how messed up this is? If this shit gets out, right? And comes back and kicks my ass 3 years later, bro, I'm done, bro. My whole career is done, bro.
Oh, nice. Set your break even, right? And then wait. Let me see, like, what's the news? News calendar. Oh, let me show you guys the Discord community again, right? We got YouTube Live, got session open, pending order, active. Once the price like almost like reach the pending order, right? The bot will alert you, right? You know, alert is closed. Bro looks mystical with no glass. You already showed your ex online. What do you mean?
Nah, but like.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. The shit on my story is like.
There's a difference between showing my ex-girlfriend and whatever the fuck that happened to me on live. We were all drunk out of our minds. Okay. Alpha Mango Gaming, thank you very much. I hope one day I can use contacts.
Bro, you know, like on live I look so shit. I mean, I always look so shit, bro. What do you mean?
We're all chopped. Trust. We're all chopped, buddy.
Me?
Or just me? Sorry.
It's getting close.
Don't do that, bro. Unless y'all like, bro. This dude like, Kyber don't.
Okay, yeah. Just my food, the food that I've been, going to.
Yeah. This guy's he loves food. You can tell by his
Can tell by my muscle.
Okay, if it's
eyebrows though.
Eyebrows. Why you think? I don't know about eyebrows. Are eyebrows like are thick eyebrows like the way to go? I don't know. Yeah, look at this dude, bro. Rate his gym progress, by the way. It's been like 8 months in.
Expose A1 online.
Let me find something. If he exposes me on live, right? Let me find something new back, bro.
I mean, just measure the weight, which one is heavier.
Yo, this is like 100 to 0. I'm sorry, bro. I don't got ammunition to fire back, bro. This makes me lose all my dignity as a man, by the way. If he shows you this video, guys. Like, think about it. As a man, your pride is the most important, right? Like, think.
Oh, the first day we met like the head coach of this community, they thought we were gay.
Yeah, bro, because like
I'm a clean man. I got nothing to expose, nothing to be exposed.
You know what? Give the public what they want, bro. If that's what they want.
You really want to? And yeah, you're folding under zero pressure, by the way. Just to be clear.
Oh yeah, you're right. Honestly, yeah. Zero pressure, bro. What am I even doing, bro?
Let me show them. Wait. Let me mark. Let me mark.
What the fuck are those feet shots, bro? Dude, this guy, his account is like a private account, by the way. Like the shit he posts, right? He had to remove like, no, it's not one pic, it's a whole video.
Oh yeah, it's the next one. Oh yeah, it's the next one.
This is not the real me, bro. Oh, this is me drawing a penis on my friend, bro.
Wait,
yeah, that's fire.
You wanna know the real Amir? Hey, going through really quick. Going through really quick.
Okay, guys. How bad do you want to see this? You know, like, oh, you removed it. Okay, lucky.
Yo,
look
at this. This guy. Oh wait, I didn't. Oh, look. Oh, this is his brother.
This guy is on fucking Roblox, bro.
This was me posing a jazz song trying to bag some baddie.
Yeah, you're not that.
But in the baddie, I met the real baddie, and then she was kind of catfishing.
Catfish is insane, bro.
I mean, did you see the girl yet?
What girl?
I did some investigation myself. Yo, but you didn't saw the. Hey! Gotta get through quick.
Bro, you see that ceiling shot just now, bro? The next 3 seconds is like the worst 3 seconds of my life, bro. Hey, Amara, is this like next level stalking game or something? You know, like
Let me
what's
put all my shit. We're actually trolling, bro. Holy shit.
Oh, actually, so cooked, bro. Dude, it's not that bad, guys. Trust. No, it's not. It's not that. It's not that interesting, guys. Trust. You know. What the fuck is that, bro? Why is that a face shot of a professor?
He did it first.
Oh, yeah, he did it first. Y'all want to expose Amara on live right now? Are we allowed to do that?
Let's expose Asian Bride first.
Yeah, let's expose everybody, bro. We got Asian Bride's Instagram. We got Amara. We got my Instagram.
Right?
Oh my god, guys!
Is this Asian Bride? Zero post. Boo.
This guy is not. This guy thinks he's like nonchalant and shit, bro.
And then Amir. This is bro, you know, just now. This is bro just now.
He's Asian, bro. He's Thai, you know. Yeah. I'm a Frank Ocean listener. W's in the chat, guys. See that 6'7" nonchalant, guys? Am I right?
I forgot Amara IG. Anyway, expose who next to expose with? Let me think about it. Should be someone who, you know, is connected with Amir.
Dude, just be yo. You know, next live I'm going live, bro. Y'all tune in. I'll expose every single one. Actually gonna get slimed out, bro.
Yeah. Hashtag light skin, nonchalant light skin type shit.
Hashtag 6'7" nonchalant light skin, bro. Type shit.
I don't wait. Can this be like the hold up inspect and boom. Ah, okay.
Like, what are you finding right now?
Normally in the thing there will be like a
Drake or Kendrick? I'll be for real. Kendrick overrated, bro. Drake still makes good music, even though he's a pedophile. Y'all, don't cancel me, guys. Don't cancel me.
what the fuck?
So good.
That type shit. Bought a Rari, I'm rich, I ain't rent one. I'm on counter where I get my.
What age can we drink? 20, I think, right? In Thailand? 20 years old?
Yo, I mean, you're exposing yourself right now.
Oh, shit. What do you think, Asian Bright? Kendrick or
I said Namo,
Drake?
Tasa,
Kendrick got
Baga,
bars. I'll be for real.
Vato,
He got
Ara,
bars. But,
Hato,
like,
Sama,
Drake-
Sambutasa.
Those late nights hit difference. I
feel so much
transitioned from a rap listener to an R&B listener, so.
Coach ค่ะ ชอบคนมีเจ้าของทำไงดี
Talking about Kendrick, bro. What the fuck?
Jeans
They're actually
pants.
listening.
Never. This is
so
the
weird.
secret that women hide from.
Yo, this is Samyan.
Instead of wearing your regular pants, opt for leggings. Besides the feeling of comfort and power, in the cold days only dress well for.
Oh my god, Don Toliver on top, y'all.
You know, you guys be talking about all this, and then what I listen to is just Love.
What the fuck? Why you paused at the worst moment ever, bro? What is this on my screen?
Yo, you know there's one day, right, of me and Amy just like busted out laughing because of this. Wait, let me find.
Bro. I remember like we're so brain rotted, right? We went to the meeting IRL in person with the coaches. Bro, I swear to God, we're actually geeked out so hard, bro.
Bro, we were so like, look at this.
Yeah, Don Toliver is fire actually. Like I had that phase. I think my last year Spotify rap Don Toliver was like top 3. Yeah, dude, Guyver, pull it up, bro. LeBron James. Dude, you know, we were taking notes, right, on like the workflow on what we had to do and shit. And this nigga said golden community and pasted this fucking photo on his fucking iPad, bro.
Oh,
And like you know, she like the coach is forgetting that she's inviting a bunch of teenagers, by the way, into like, you know, as coaches. So it's like fuck, bro.
Oh, did you watch it yet? Did anyone watch the Soda Pop shit yet? Yo, okay. Holy shit. Yo. What? That's diabolical, bro. Here.
That's the light skin view.
Oh shit. No, we gotta learn how to stop, yeah. Gotta shift our mind. Yo, wait, this. Wait, this girl singing.
Dude, this guy's obsessed with her, by the way. Like this nigga telling me like, even in my lowest days,
Okay.
her TikTok pops up, and I just feel better. Like Sabao, bro.
และนี่คือนัก
เดี๋ยวผมนะครับจ้า
Hi. Hi.
Bro, why my TikTok is like all in Thai?
Attacked him leaves for sticking up for myself.
Boring.
Hello Bella.
ดิวไอเอลที่มันยังไง
กูทำสำเร็จแล้ว
เราจะพาแฟนมาเปิดตัวกับ
Bro.
ควาย6 แบบ
Oh shit, this guy's funny.
Is there any chance you could just record me a quick video?
Yeah, sure.
My phone's already rolling. Just literally hold it. Is that alright?
Bro, why is my internet lagging?
Is there any chance you could just record me a quick video?
Yeah, sure.
My phone's already rolling. Just literally
Sure.
hold it. Is that alright? Thank you. Ah! Sorry. Sorry. Ah! Sorry.
Bro, why is TikTok lagging? What is this? Who is this?
Bro, I got people texting me about a group project due on the 15th, I think. I'm cooked. I'm cooked.
Yo, you guys know about Jakura?
Oh my god, bro. Dude, like when we finish fucking living, right? This guy is all like this guy's all always on about fucking parasocial streamer relationships, bro.
Guys, so there will be like a new promotion for our broker soon. Just giving a head up.
What were you saying? Promotion about what?
There will be like a promotion for our broker soon.
What's that?
We don't know yet, but soon.ก็เลยมาร้องเพลงบอกแค่อยากให้เธอนั้นได้ว่าสิ่งที่ฉันทำลงไปใจสั่งมา Yo Asian Bright in the blues I think it's 1,000 points already, right, for you, Asian Bright? Take the second partial profit, yo. I think the last can be like down here at the 3306. So like almost 2,000 points. Pull up the Streamlabs. 200 pips. That's nice. What's happening with the trade? We're just waiting. There's like this is quite like a low move for the how to say.
Yeah, right
For the
now
night.
gold does not go past like the 30 levels. Like it tapped 28 and it went down 700 points or 70 pips. It tapped 28 again and went down 100 pips, bro. Actually insane, bro. I mean, if we were still continuing to trade, right, we'd probably take that zone. But today, no fear of missing out, guys. There's always tomorrow.
Just put the limits in and then go to sleep.
Yeah, no fear of missing out. No, you know, like, oh damn, I could have sold at this part. Oh, we got liquidated. Look, it went out to our TP. Just, you know, just chill out. Enjoy life sometimes, you know. You don't gotta be that serious.
Yo, Amara, are you into tarot card reading?
What the fuck?
That shit, just know the money is in the air.
Yeah, money is in the air, bro. Like you miss one opportunity, there's always another, bro. Especially when trading, right? When you're sleeping, you could have caught a gazillion moves, bro. But
And yeah, solo leveling live action.
what? It's probably gonna be it's probably gonna be worse than fucking One Piece, bro.
Hey, the One
One
Piece
Piece
is
was
not
already
bad,
bad.
bro. The One Piece is not bad.
It was ass, bro.
No,
Shut
it
up.
was
One
not.
Piece, the anime is already ass, bro.
A fan of Bleach, by the way.
Bleach, live action was also ass. But Bleach, the anime is the goat. The manga is the goat. Everything is the goat.
You do it? Yeah, I do it. Wait, let me show you. Oh, but wait. I don't trust in it, by the way. It's just fun doing it. Like, I don't trust in it, but it's just fun, doing it. I started doing it because, like, these cards are cute, right, to me. And then I bought it from, like, a friend in China, right? And then when I bought it, my ex, right? So when I bought it, it was, like, at the same time where I have, like, an English class, but I gotta represent something, right, in the front of the class. And then teacher wants something, like, really, really, wants some topic, like, really interesting. And then
solo leveling live action.
And then so my ex was like, hey, oh no. I told my professor that I wanted to do like why astrology can be useful even though you don't believe it in a perspective from a perspective of ones who don't believe it. And then my ex was like, hey, if you wanna do that, then why not just learn how to do tarot reading too? And I was like, sure, why not?
This dude was on the verge of tears when he was opening about his ex too, by the way. Exposed.
Hey, it's normal to catch some old feelings, right?
Man, fuck them feelings, bro. Stay hard. Yo, okay, Amara, let him read your destiny, yo.
Do MES. I think he's black.
No, I'm not doing this gay shit, bro.
First cousin, I think he's black.
Like, I don't believe in this. I don't believe in this shit. Do yours, bro.
Nah, bro. I don't do like. Personally, I don't. Yo, on live.
Do it. Let's do it. Fuck it. Let's do it.
Bro,
wait, Gavin, put the graph on screen before getting in trouble, you know?
Shit. You're right. Hold up. There?
Real. Money is coming in. Money is coming your way in fucking 1 month. You're gonna have abundance.
I see money coming in.
Ass reading, bro.
No, I open it. Green is your lucky color. Our broker color is green.
Literally, bro.
Like I to be fair, I usually don't do it often because I personally got like, so I did this like one time for this guy, right? And then he was basically really into this like, reading shit. And then his girlfriend was pretty toxic at the time. And then I opened the cards and I was like, is your girlfriend toxic? Some shit like that, right? And then he told his girlfriend and then they broke up.
Oh.
So yeah. It's pretty stressed, but I only keep doing it because there's like this one like loyal customer, where she keeps coming back and then just asking me about it. I don't know, bro. The latest reading was pretty on point. Let's just say that. The latest reading, right, was for my the loyal customer, right? And then she came back asking about her relationship. She read with me since like the since she had a crush on him, and then
Wait, is bro gonna be like a fortune teller, bro?
nah, bro. If I'm a good fortune teller, please please tell me which order is gonna TP.
Yeah, fortune tell if this fucking order is gonna hit TP or not, bro. Hey, hold on.
That's a pretty big 30-minute candle with a high tail too. That's a pretty nice candle, bro.ก็เลยมาร้องเพลงบอกแค่อยากให้เธอนั้นเข้าใจว่าสิ่งที่ฉันทำลงไปใจสั่งมาอย่าโกรธเลยนะคนดี Right now the store is oversold in many time frame, but the RSI in the 1 minute is like showing yeah, read the graph. Thai shit. It is coming down pretty strong. That's nice though, because right now, right, if it doesn't break the trend line, then it's pretty good, so we can still keep using this trend line. It might come down here, right, bounce back a little, come here, bounce back a little, come down here, bounce back a little, and then come down here, hit this, and bounce back. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it might just break down.
Oh man, fuck editing content every day, bro. I told myself I'm gonna post twice a day, but now I don't want to do it, bro. Top prize.
Asian Bright is 1,500 points in profit right now.
Yeah, that's a crazy down move, yo.
It retested the zone 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 times, 7 time, 8 time.
Yeah, retested that many times and it still failed to push up.
Still strong.
Our zone was at 32. It reached 28 twice and 31 almost. So unfortunate, but it's okay.
With that many time tested, usually it will break up the structure of the trend line and go up. But yep, it did not want to do that. If it disrespect the graph, we gotta control ourselves. Yo, Asian Bright in the big profit. Take your last. You can take your last DP at right here at 1,500 points, or you can wait for 2,000 point at 0.8. That would be like our buy zone too.
Never.
What?
Coach Ploy caught us looking through her Instagram.
Oh yeah, I saw.
Damn, there's always someone lingering, bro.
Coding one was the one lingering, bro. Nice. 1,000 point, that's good, bro. I will put in the trade recap, YouTube live trade recap. Exclusive, only Bright took it.
Exclusive, right? Close. 100 pips profit.
It was a pretty risky trade though, but good that you're in profit.
Yeah, honestly, we should show Amara all the other coaches, right? Because he's here on like for the international people.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that. Mara, let's introduce you to all the other coaches, honestly.
Wait.
Close to SL, I always entry. Stop, profit, take loss. Type shit.
One day today. What? What do you mean by that, Alpha Mango? For the people after us, right? Amara, there will be this guy called L Day today, yeah. Not the brightest day, you know. But hey,
Yeah, but
this week we're
still made it bright though.
This week we're still up 1,000 pips. Wait, oh, what is his name? Not this one. This guy. Let me put this in our channel. And then
this is one of the bigger coaches. Name is Hummy. Great guy, good advice. He becomes real when he's drunk.
what the hell?
This is another guy's name is how do you say it in English, bro? I don't know.
Yeah, Coach They both were esport player, but before. Yeah.
They all go live. They all go live. All these coaches in the community, we're part of this community. We're actually one of the newer coaches. We're actually like a third generation of coaches, right? Oh, second generation. We are the first one to go global. Usually this community would be popular in Thailand, but since we mostly speak English here, like you see in Asian Bright, right? He's Thai. And like earlier today, right, we had like Thai people in the chat. So yeah, this is a Thai community basically, and we're trying to push it out to outside of Thailand, aka the global team. So here. So all these coaches, they go live at different time. We got one in the morning at like 6 a.m. We got one in the afternoon like 1 p.m. ish.
Hey, but after the 18th of July, we'll be living 2 times. In the morning and in the afternoon.
So basically, we're chilling. I finished my exams on the 17th. And after that, I got a short 3-week summer break before my regular semester starts. So that's cool.
Today is a pretty slow day. You guys can take our buy limit and sell limit and call that a day.
Yeah, today is chill. You know, we're here
Tomorrow-
to get to know our community more. I think.
Tomorrow we'll start bright. Be giving out the scalping orders in the morning again. See how it goes.
I mean, we managed to grow this channel pretty big in like a couple weeks, so I'm pretty happy about that. I wasn't expecting us to get that much views at first, but since y'all are here, I appreciate it.
Tight shit. Maybe we'll go down in a bit. Yo, did we miss the ride? It came down to almost our our zone. 10:23. 7 pips away from our zone.
The buy limit?
Yep.
Damn. And he just flew. Holy shit.
It's fine.
7 pips is crazy, bro. Yeah. I think tomorrow would be better. Today was just unfortunate. We got it. We got it. We stay positive. We stay in the game. We don't quit, you know? Tomorrow I'm going to class and hooping in the morning, so I'm gonna de-stress because, you know, getting your body moving is the best part or best thing to do.
Tight shit. Tomorrow I got exam. So yeah. After going down,
Yay!
I'm gonna review my exam and shit.
Yeah, y'all pray for my homie here. He got exams tomorrow. I got a group presentation next Tuesday. In it, bruv. Worth 20% of my grade.
Oh shit.
Tuesday.
Yeah, it was gone. What? Oh. Insane.
Was I playing with you this game?
Yeah. No.
Oh yeah, these are the games I dirty inted, bro.
Push, push, push. If it fly up to 20, we will be cancelling the buy limit.
Yeah. This means that the buy volume has been, you know, used already, so we don't wanna risk having a zone that has already been retested, tested twice, because the second time is like really high risk already. But that cell zone up there has been retested like too many times and is held every single time. That's one of the rare occasions.
Okay. I think we will go soon. Wait. 5 reels and we out. Hold up.
5 reels and we out. That's insane, bro.
5 international reels and we out.
Save this for when you're with them. Who's more likely to get arrested? Double quiz. Save this for when you're with them. Who's more likely to get arrested?
There we go.
Did it say?
What's happening? Oh.
How do you even find out you can do that shit, bro?
I don't know.
Do you not get the concept?
Can I get 1,000 chicken wings? Like, for real, bro.
Like 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000. Like 1,000 chicken wings.
Give me 1 second.
All right.
You really what?
Yeah, real, like right now, at this moment. I need it done, like right now. Can we do the 1,000 chicken wings? And then can I get 1,000 egg rolls? Yeah, I think this can get done in like 25 minutes.
Like 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay, bet. Hey, can I get 1,000 chicken wings? Like,
Nothing beats it.
How come the moment I hard launch my girlfriend, I lose 5,000 followers? God forbid the white boy that
And he's
you're
gonna be
making
like,
out of the
it's for the
trenches.
homeless,
God
though. I
forbid
don't wanna
a
pay
weeb
for it,
find
though.
his waifu, bro. Oh my goodness. How come the moment I hard launch my girlfriend, I lose
Yo.
What the fuck is this, bro?
Come on, Daddy. I'm wearing your favorite outfit.
I don't
Please
get
don't
the
redeem
joke.
it. You can't redeem the gift card. Come on, Daddy. I'm wearing your favorite outfit. Please don't redeem it. You
ก็เห็นเธอมีนม
Yeah, notice how Instagram traps you guys? He said 5, right? This is his 15th reel. This is a case study, guys.
Wait, guys, cancel your buy limit, okay? I think it's reaching our TP2. Put it there. Put this here. Let me put in Telegram too.
You guys like the thumbnail? Yeah, I just noticed my fucking iPad ran out of batteries, bro.
Okay. Bro, what's the command for this, man? Let me find like another buy song for you guys. Alright, guys, see you tomorrow. I will put the buy limit in the